In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Afterpay when shopping online. Whether you're an avid online shopper or just starting to explore the convenience of online retail, this will be your complete guide to making purchases using Afterpay. Let's dive right into it and make sure you have a smooth and enjoyable shopping experience. First things first, you're going to want to explore and add items to your cart. Begin by browsing your favorite online store. Take your time to look through the categories, use the search bar if you have something specific in mind, or simply enjoy scrolling through the latest collections. Once you find an item you'd like to purchase, select the proper size, color, or any other specification that the product requires, and then click the Add to Cart button. Repeat this process for each item you wish to purchase. With all your desired items in your cart, it's time to proceed to checkout. Locate the cart icon, usually found at the top right corner of the web page, and click on it to review your selected products. Double-check that everything is accurate, quantities, sizes, colors, and then click on the Proceed to Checkout button. This takes you to the checkout page, where you can enter your personal information and confirm your delivery address. Now, let's get into choosing Afterpay as your payment method. On the checkout page, when selecting a payment method, look for the Afterpay logo or option. It might appear as a button or in a list with other payment methods such as credit cards or PayPal. Click on the Afterpay option to proceed. At this point, you'll need to log in or create an Afterpay account. If you already have an Afterpay account, simply enter your login credentials, your email and password, to continue. For new users who don't have an account yet, don't worry. Setting one up is quick and easy. Follow the on-screen prompts to create your account by providing some basic information such as your name, email address, and phone number. Once your account is set up, you're ready to move to the next step. The final step is completing your purchase with Afterpay. After confirming your account details, Afterpay will calculate the total cost of your order and divide it into 4 equal installments. This interest-free payment plan makes it easier on your wallet by spreading out the payments over time. You just need to make the first installment, and the rest will be automatically charged over the next few weeks. After everything is confirmed, click on the Final Purchase button, and you're all set. And there you have it. You've successfully completed your purchase using Afterpay. Check your email for a confirmation of your order and the payment schedule. Enjoy your shopping and the convenience of paying over time. Thanks for watching, and happy shopping!